AI just broke the internet. Gen Z won't believe this. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept from a distant future. It's here, and it's changing everything we know about the internet. From wildly transforming social media algorithms to creating content faster than any human could, AI is shattering boundaries we didn't even know existed. Are we witnessing the beginning of a revolution or a disaster in disguise? Gen Z, the most tech-savvy generation yet, might be the ones shaping this new reality, or falling victim to it. Stay tuned as we explore how AI just broke the internet and what it means for all of us. Let's start with the basics. AI has taken the online world by storm. 10 years ago, the idea of machines performing human-like tasks seemed like science fiction. But today, AI is doing so much more than we imagined. It's not just helping, it's outpacing humans in creativity, problem-solving, and the entire way we interact with the internet. Think about the ad you saw earlier today, the one that seemed uncannily perfect for you. That wasn't just clever marketing. It was an AI carefully analyzing your browsing history, your interests, and even your habits to craft an eerily accurate message. And it doesn't stop there. AI isn't just watching us anymore, it's creating. It's writing blogs, designing art, composing music, and even generating scripts for movies. Yes, this very video might as well have been assisted by AI. Hyper-personalization is the name of the game, and AI is winning big. Your social media feeds are tailored just for you. Search engines know exactly what you are trying to find, and chatbots are answering your questions faster than any human customer service rep ever could. The result? The internet feels more personal, but also eerily automated. It's both exciting and unsettling. No place shows the impact of AI more vividly than social media. Let's talk about that addictive For You page on TikTok, or the scroll hole of Instagram. Why does it feel like these platforms know you better than your best friend? The answer, again, is AI. These algorithms are no accident. They are powered by cutting-edge machine learning models that analyze what you like, how long you watch, and even what you skip. The result? A perfectly curated feed designed to hook you and keep you coming back for more. Whether it's a dance challenge, a viral meme, or an inspirational quote, AI makes sure the content you see feels like it's just for you. And here's the kicker, it's working. Reports show that users, especially Gen Z, are spending hours stuck in a loop of content, thanks to AI's ability to predict their every desire. It's a social phenomenon that is reshaping how we interact, share, and even think. Beyond your feed, AI is also behind the scenes of most viral content today. Artists and brands are leveraging tools like generative AI to create quick, high-quality videos, memes, and animations. In fact, some of your favorite content creators might be relying on AI more than you think. Let's give AI some credit. It's not all bad. In fact, it's revolutionizing the online space in incredible ways. First, let's talk about efficiency. AI is helping businesses streamline their operations, automate boring tasks, and scale faster than ever. Take customer service, for example. AI-powered chatbots are resolving issues in seconds, freeing up humans for more complex problems. Search engines have also seen unprecedented advancements, with AI making search results far smarter and more personalized. Typing a vague query into Google doesn't feel frustrating anymore because AI knows what you mean, even if you don't. For creators, the rise of AI is like having superpowers. Need to edit a photo? Create a logo? Write a catchy caption? AI tools like Midjourney, Canva, and ChatGPT are giving creators the ability to work faster while still delivering quality. It's creativity, but with an AI-powered turbo boost. And here's a silver lining for musicians, writers, and innovators. AI isn't just a competitor, it's becoming an assistant. Think of it as your creative sidekick, helping you brainstorm ideas, structure your work, or even polish final drafts. With AI as a partner, human imagination can go further than ever before. But with great innovation comes great responsibility, or in this case, great risks. AI isn't all sunshine and rainbows. In fact, a darker side of this revolution is emerging, and it's breaking the internet in ways many of us aren't prepared for. Take deepfakes, for instance. These hyper-realistic, AI-generated videos can make anyone appear to say or do anything. While some might use them for creative fun, the potential for harm is staggering. Fake news, scams, and public manipulation are already issues we see increasing thanks to this technology. Then there's bias in algorithms, a problem even AI can't escape. These systems, taught using human-designed data, can reflect and even amplify existing inequalities. From job searches to social media trends, biased AI could unknowingly perpetuate stereotypes, leaving entire groups feeling misrepresented or excluded. What about privacy? In an AI-driven internet, every action we take, every click, tap, and swipe is being tracked, analyzed, and stored. Sure, this enhances personalization, but it also raises a critical question. How much is too much? At what point does tailored content turn into a breach of personal boundaries? And let's not ignore the elephant in the room: jobs. With AI creating high-quality content in seconds, what happens to the humans whose livelihoods depended on those skills? Are we looking at a future where artists, writers, designers, and even developers are replaced by machines? It's worth thinking about. Finally, we have to talk about mental health. While AI-curated spaces might feel endlessly entertaining, there's mounting evidence about the negative impact of endless scrolling. The internet might feel more alive than ever, but for users trapped in the algorithmic loop, it could become emotionally and mentally draining. The rise of AI doesn't just mean the internet is evolving, it's fundamentally changing forever. What does this mean? For starters, creativity is becoming decentralized. In an age where anyone with AI tools can produce high-quality work, the role of individual creators is shifting. Will originality thrive, or will AI dilute uniqueness in favor of efficiency? Online communities are also transforming. AI-generated content might strengthen collaboration or undermine it depending on how it's used. Think of group projects, online forums, or even multiplayer video games where bots might soon perform better than humans. The internet as a human-centric space is starting to blur. And then there's search. Traditional search engines could soon give way to conversational AI, interactive tools that don't just provide links, but talk to us directly. What does this mean for Google, or even how we learn and discover information? The biggest question is, what will the internet even look like in a few years? Will it become an entirely AI-powered ecosystem or crash under the weight of its own speed of innovation? Of all generations, Gen Z is the most entangled with AI. They're growing up in a time when technology isn't just a tool, it's a way of life. But this tech-savvy generation faces unique challenges and opportunities. Unlike older generations, Gen Z isn't intimidated by innovative AI. They're playing with it, experimenting, and even shaping how it evolves. Whether it's using AI tools for content creation or coding their own intelligent systems, Gen Z sees AI as a creative collaborator. But there's a flip side. Growing up in an AI-dominated world means Gen Z is also navigating uncharted waters in education, employment, and even personal relationships. AI tools could help them excel at school and work, but over-reliance could bring risks. Are they prepared to use AI responsibly, or are they simply trusting these machines more than they should? Ultimately, Gen Z has the power to shape AI's narrative. If they take control, they can steer innovation toward inclusivity, creativity, and long-term benefits. But if they don't, well, they risk becoming passive users in a machine-dominated world. AI hasn't just changed the internet, it's shattered it into something new, chaotic, and unpredictable. From personalized algorithms to deepfake scams, this tech is both thrilling and terrifying. The way we search, create, and interact online will never be the same. But the question remains, are humans still in the driver's seat, or is AI taking over? And where will Gen Z stand in this unfurling saga of innovation? The truth is, the future of AI and the internet depends on us. So, what's your take? Are we witnessing the dawn of an incredible AI-powered world, or are we on the brink of losing control? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with friends who need to hear this conversation. Buckle up, because the AI-powered internet is here, and it's just the beginning.